Okay, let's shift focus a bit now to some of the maybe trickier aspects of humor itself. Like, can artificial intelligence ever really understand humor?
It seems so.
Human.
This is a fascinating thought. AI can do so much now, write text, make images, compose music, but humor feels different somehow. The sources say AI can be programmed to generate jokes, but it really struggles with the complexity, right? The context, timing, emotion.
Exactly. There's a huge difference between following rules to make a joke and actually getting it. An AI can learn the pattern of a simple joke like, why did the chicken cross the road? That works because it's formulaic.
But sarcasm, irony, dark humor.
That's where it gets really tough. That requires understanding subtext, cultural nuances, emotional tone. Things AI currently lacks because it doesn't have consciousness or lived experience. It needs abstract reasoning, emotional intelligence, just basic world knowledge that's implicit for us. So it can mimic the structure, but doesn't feel the punchline. It doesn't understand why it's funny.
Pretty much. It can't feel the tension build and release or the surprise. Researchers are trying to teach AI sarcasm using sentiment analysis, looking for mismatches in tone and content in huge data sets of conversations.
How's that going?
It's improving, but still far from perfect. AI often misses subtle cues or misinterprets nuance. It raises a really big question. Will AI ever truly get humor? Or will it just get very good at faking it, at mimicking the patterns? It really highlights how deeply human humor is.
And that human element shines through in how different humor is across cultures too, doesn't it? What's hilarious in one place can completely bomb somewhere else.
Oh, absolutely. It's a huge truth. Humor is deeply tied to cultural values, social norms, history, communication styles. The sources give some great examples.
Like British humor.
Known for its dry sarcasm, understatement, self-deprecation. Think Monty Python or the UK Office. Lots of playing with social awkwardness, subtle subversion. The humor is often in the deadpan delivery of absurdity.
Right, and different from, say, American humor.
Which often leans more towards exaggeration, physical comedy, sometimes that kind of awkward realism or observational stuff about social discomfort, like in many sitcoms or stand-up routines.
And Indian humor.
Often involves intricate wordplay, maybe drawing on multiple languages, and a strong tradition of mimicry or impersonation.
What about Japanese humor?
Well, there's Manzai, that traditional double act. It relies on a specific structure. The funny man, Boke says absurd things, and the straight man, Tsukomi, delivers sharp, logical retorts, often with puns and physical comedy mixed in. Very culturally specific timing and references.
It really shows how much our shared background shapes what we find funny. Language, history, social rules, it's all baked in.
It is. But interestingly, despite all these differences in style, some core triggers for laughter seem pretty universal. Things like embarrassment, surprise, irony, seeing patterns broken. Those tend to work across cultures.
So the way we express humor